Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Okay, children? All have completed the previous worksheet in your notebooks. Okay, you complete your evidence work the same day. Clear? So today we'll start a new chapter. Okay, the chapter 13. The name of the chapter is Mumbai. Okay, so before going to start Mumbai, I'll first just recall what we have discussed in the previous classes, in the previous chapters. The previous chapter was chapter 12, that was Delhi. Okay, so Delhi, we have discussed Delhi is the capital of our country, India. Then what is the former name of Delhi? It was Indraprastha during the which was built by the Pandavas, and later it was rebuilt by whom? Shahjahan, and he was the Mughal emperor, and after his name it was named as Shahjahanabad. Clear? So then Delhi is situated in the banks of which river? River Yamuna. Then what is the area of Delhi? Area of Delhi is 1483 square kilometer. Clear? Then we have also discussed Delhi is divided into Old and New Delhi. Okay, and both New Delhi and Old Delhi combinedly is known as the National Territory, capital of India. Okay, then the climate. Next point. Delhi is also known as Mini India. Why it is known as Mini India? Because people from all over the country come and live here for many purposes, for job or for politics or anything. People from other states come here, it is known as Mini India. Then what about the climate of Delhi? It is extreme. Extreme means very hot during summer and very cold during winter. Why I am saying to children, if you will compare with the climate of Delhi, climate of Mumbai, climate of Kolkata, if you combine, you can easily remember and understand. Clear? So now we'll switch over to Mumbai. What is the former name of Mumbai? It was known as Bombay. मुंबई पहले क्या बोला जाता था? बॉम्बे. पहले now beforehand Mumbai was former known as Bombay. Okay, it is another metropolitan city of India like Delhi. Okay, like Delhi, it is another metropolitan city. Then Mumbai is the capital of which state? Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. Clear? It is also known as the financial capital of India. Okay, it is also known as what? Financial capital of India. Mumbai is located on the western coast of India. Now we discuss about the location. See in the map, it is the India map. Okay, as we have said, you have to remember it is the north, then south, east and west. Each time you should keep it in mind that upside is always the north. So where is Mumbai? Here. So it is located on the western coast of India. This is west side. So this is the western coast. Here it is Lakshadweep. Okay. So then it is near the Arabian Sea. Mumbai, it is situated on the western coast of India. Clear? So what do you recall? Just visually recall Mumbai, former name was Bombay. It is the capital of Maharashtra. Okay, and it is located on the western coast of India. Then the language, which languages are spoken? Here mainly Marathi and Konkani languages are spoken. Yes, then come to the climate. In Delhi we have discussed it. The climate of Delhi was what? What we have discussed? Extreme. And the climate of Mumbai is what? Moderate. Moderate means it is neither too hot nor too cold. And during monsoon, Mumbai receives a heavy rainfall. Okay. Then it is quite warm and humid in summers and pleasant in winters. Then likewise it is the capital of Maharashtra. The governor, the chief minister, the offices, okay, all live in Mumbai. All the important offices of state government are located in Mumbai. Then about the industries. What are the important industries in Mumbai? So first we discuss about it is the largest center of cotton textile. It is the largest center of cotton textiles. Okay. Then the other major industries of Mumbai are chemical product, then engineering goods, electronic goods, then shipbuilding, automobiles, shipbuilding things, automobiles and food processing. Another is the important Mumbai High. Okay, it is the one of the richest petroleum fields in India, and where it is about 160 kilometer away from Mumbai coast. So Mumbai coast it is away from 160 kilometer, but Mumbai High, it is the richest petroleum fields. Now places of interest, as we have discussed in Delhi, places of interest, that was India Gate. In Mumbai, Gateway of India. So children, don't be confused. India Gate, Gateway of India. In Delhi it was, what do you have discussed? India Gate. And in Mumbai it is Gateway of India. The most famous it is the most famous landmark which stands at the entrance of the port. People usually gather the Gateway of India in the evenings to watch ships in the harbour. Okay. So it is the gateway. From the gate we can understand that the entrance point of the port. Okay. So then the port. The port is the commercial and cultural center of the city. Most of the important offices, banks, theatres, Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus, okay, which was earlier known as Victoria Terminus, are located here. Marine Drive offers a beautiful view of, see, SL World, Marine Drive. See, it is a picture of Marine Drive, and here it is the SL World. So we'll discuss about Marine Drive. Then Marine Drive offers a beautiful view of Arabian Sea. See, we can see the Arabian Sea. Horse carriages are often seen on this road. Then other attractions are Prince of Wales Museum, Nehru Park, then Tara Porewala Aquarium, Kamala Nehru Park, Sanjay Gandhi National Park, Malabar Hills, Nariman Point, Hanging Gardens, Jahangir Art Gallery and SL World. Okay, so many places of tourist interest, or you can visit so many places to visit in Mumbai. Then what other things we can see? The Elephanta Cave. They are located 10 kilometers from Mumbai, and they are dedicated to Lord Shiva. Okay, they are famous for beautiful stone carvings. See, what is the beautiful work on stone here? So it is famous. It is called the Elephanta Caves. Then the Bhabha Atomic Research Center, BARK. Okay, BARK. Bhabha Atomic Research Center is located near Mumbai. This center carries out research related peaceful use of atomic energy. Okay, so Bhabha Atomic Research. This here the research are related to peaceful use of atomic energy that can be harmful for society and people. So here they research how to use of the they can use the peaceful use of atomic energy. The Tata Institute of Fundamental Research and the Indian Institute of Technology are also located in Mumbai. So many institutions are located in Mumbai. Then Mumbai is also known for Hindi film making industry. Okay, so most of the Hindi films are watched and produced in Mumbai. Bollywood बोलते हैं ना, हिंदी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री को क्या बोलते हैं? बॉलीवुड. उड़िया फिल्म इंडस्ट्री को हॉलीवुड, तेलुगु फिल्म इंडस्ट्री को टॉलीवुड. वैसे द हिंदी फिल्म मेकिंग दैट इज कॉल्ड बॉलीवुड. ऑल द फिल्म्स आर, most of the films are watched and produced in Mumbai. Then come to food. What type of food is famous in Mumbai? See, pav bhaji, bhel puri. Okay, these are the famous delicious foods of Mumbai. People also enjoy eating frequent and sweet dish. Okay, but whenever the food of Mumbai first comes to pav bhaji and bhel puri, very famous. Okay, then festival. What are the festivals they celebrate? All where India people, they respect all the religions and all the festivals. But some places it is important that which festivals is the most important of that place. Okay, so Ganesh Chaturthi. Ganesh Chaturthi is the most important festival celebrated in Mumbai. Huge processions of idols of God Ganesh are taken out with lots of joy and devotion. You have watched in TV, no television, in all the in Hindi movies also. Most of the Hindi movies they show Ganesh Chaturthi, the procession of Ganesh Chaturthi. Yes or no? Okay, so other festivals they celebrate, but it is the most important festival that is celebrated. Then transportation. If we want to go to Mumbai, then we should know about the transportation facility also. Okay, so Mumbai has very good transportation system. People travel by best buses. They use the buses. The special name that is the best 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 buses. Okay, they and the local trains. Their Mumbai is connected with other parts of country by rail and air facility is very good. By airways we can move or by railways also we can move. Then the Sahar, the Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport is the busiest airport in India. Okay, so the Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport, it is the busiest airport in India. Okay, so we discuss about Mumbai. What? It is the capital of which state? Maharashtra. Yes, it is located in the east coast or west coast? West coast of India. Okay, then what are the main languages we mostly spoken in Mumbai? They are Marathi and what? Konkani. And the places of tourist interest we just see what? The Gateway of India, then Marine Drive, then SL World. Okay, then famous foods, Pav Bhaji, Bhel Puri, then famous festival, Ganesh Chaturthi. Yes, so children, you read the chapter so that you can answer the exercise, the short questions, and all the question answer you can answer. Clear? So you read the chapter properly, line by line. If you and see the map also, you can easily understand the chapter. Okay? So in the next class, we'll discuss about another city. What? In the next class, I will say. That's all for today, children. Thank you.